Alright, this came in on a Rhodes power supply, and what we did is we went to the chassis, and then you're supposed to measure 24 volts here, plus 36 and minus 36. Well, the 24 volts was absent. We went to the board with the regulator on it. The power transistor is back here on the heatsink, and the Zener diode is shorted. So one of the things we're going to do is replace the Zener diode, and that's one of the possibilities. Another possibility is this transistor may be bad, and another possibility is one of these two electrolytics may be shorted as well. That all contributes to a problem, and it generally winds up being a situation where with the 24 volts being absent, neither power amplifier will run correctly. And by the way, neither will the preamp in the Rhodes itself. So therefore, you'll get no sound at all. And that's going to affect you. This potentiometer right here is the 24 volt adjustment. Anything from 24 to 27 is okay, but anything above or below 23 is going to be a problem. And these are the two speaker fuses here. But we don't seem to have any other issues here with the regulator at the present time, and we're just going to check the electrolytic capacitors to make sure that they're not shorted, because that's a frequent cause of problems. That one isn't. That does not mean that they're not open either, by the way. This one is 0.3 ohms, and that's not, that's reading 0.3 ohms to make sure that we're reading the actual capacitor itself, and that we're not reading the byproducts of a transistor or something else, or another resistor across it. We disconnect one side of the capacitor and measure it again, and it reads 0.7 ohms, so the capacitor, yeah, 0.7 ohms, the capacitor is shorted. So we're going to replace both electrolytics and the Zener diode, and we'll see if the power supply comes back up to 24 volts again, or can be adjusted.